Good morning, everyone. Thank you for learning with me today. Today's lesson is going to be about gratitude and how we can have an attitude of gratitude. When you think of the word gratitude, what do you think of? A lot of times we think of Thanksgiving, and as we sit around the Thanksgiving table, we share one thing we're thankful for, but it's so much more than that. Having an attitude of gratitude is showing appreciation for what we have and what other people have given to us. It could be other words that people have said to us. It could be things that we have. Sometimes we take things for granted, and that's not showing an attitude of gratitude. I'm going to show a video clip from Rocket Kids TV, and then we're going to talk about it. Hope you enjoy.
Do you ever think about what you're thankful for? Well, you should. When we remind ourselves of all the things we are thankful for, great things come to us. On this episode of Rocket Kids, we talk about that, and I give you 10 things I am thankful for right now. I'm Aspen, and let's get this started. Being thankful is important. We can be thankful for our parents, our family, and our home. Being thankful is also called gratitude. It takes practice. When we can be grateful for the things in our lives, even the little things, we can begin to change the way we think. We can shift our thoughts away from what we think we are lacking to what we have in abundance. Yeah, we start to see how awesome everything is and how great life can be. Did you know that gratitude leads to happiness? Who doesn't like happiness? I know I do. So, here are 10 things, big and small, I am grateful for right now. Trees. Yeah, trees. They give us oxygen to breathe, and when we breathe, we live. And living is a great thing. They bloom in the spring and make wonderful colors in the fall. Trees. Cake. Cake is good. It means it's your birthday, a special occasion, or maybe you're having cake just to have cake. All I know is cake is so good. Emojis. We can communicate with words, symbols, hand gestures, and facial expression, but nothing is as much fun as emojis. Sleep. There is nothing better than cozying up under the covers. I'm snuggled all tight. My hands have pulled the covers up under my chin. My head is resting on my favorite pillow. My mind thinks about all the awesome things that happened in my day. Then, off I go. Sleepy time. This leads to waking up. And that's next on my list. Mornings. Some people have a hard time getting up in the morning. But we should be grateful that we have the chance to do amazing things each and every day. So, get up and go do something awesome. Speaking of awesome. Ice cream? What's not to like about ice cream? I go to a place where you can mix your flavors and add everything from sprinkles to gummy bears. Who wouldn't be thankful for gummy bears on ice cream? Vacations. What's not to love about vacations? You get to go places, see things you've never seen before, spend time with your family, relax, have fun, make memories. Vacations. Good stuff. Kittens. They're funny, cuddly, and playful. If you've ever been around a kitten, you know what I'm talking about. Enough said, kittens are good. Nice people. Thank you, nice people. Thank you for not being mean. Let's all work to be a little nicer. And, last but not least, high fives. Why high fives? We give high fives when something is going great or we did something extraordinary. And you need two people to high five. So, you are sharing this awesome moment with someone else. This makes high-fiving fun, and I am grateful for high fives. So, that's my list of 10 things, big and small, I am grateful for right now. Remember, gratitude takes practice, so make it a habit of thinking about all the things you are grateful for. What are you grateful for right now? Let us know by commenting on this video. We would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and
What are you grateful for? When we practice gratitude, it is scientifically proven to increase your happiness level. On this Padlet that you access this video, I have another video that is actually a scientific study on gratitude and happiness. So check that out. What I want you to do, I want you to think or write down things every day that you're grateful for. And it could be something small. Right now, we've been away from each other for a long time, and it's easy to focus on the negative. It's easy to say, oh, I want to be at school. I miss my friends. I can't do this. I can't do this. But when you focus on what you're grateful for, it'll make you happy. One big thing that I'm grateful for is that I get to spend time with you through this video. And I love when I receive the comments and the pictures of you practicing whatever activity I bring up. This week's gratitude. I will see you guys next week. Have a wonderful day on purpose after grace.